Imagine deploying a Kubernetes application that requires a dozen different YAML files for deployments, services, config maps, and secrets. Managing all those files across environments becomes a nightmare. A Helm chart solves this by acting as a package or bundle for Kubernetes applications. Think of it like a zip file that contains everything your app needs to run on Kubernetes. Helm is often called the package manager for Kubernetes, similar to how npm works for Node.js or apt works for Ubuntu. Under the hood, a Helm chart has a specific directory structure. The chart.yaml file contains metadata like the chart name, version, and description. The templates directory holds template files for all your Kubernetes resources like deployments, services, and config maps. There's also a charts directory for dependencies and a values.yaml file for configuration. The real power of Helm charts comes from parameterization. Instead of hard-coding values in your YAML files, you use placeholders that reference the values.yaml file. For example, you might have a replica count set to 2 in values.yaml, and the deployment template uses that value. When you deploy to production, you can override it to 5 replicas without editing the template. Helm charts are version controlled and reusable. You can publish them to chart repositories like Artifact Hub, making it easy for teams to share and discover charts. Installing complex applications like Prometheus or PostgreSQL becomes a single Helm install command instead of managing dozens of YAML files manually. In summary, a Helm chart is a packaged collection of Kubernetes resource templates that you can configure, version, and share. Practice with Interview Mentor to master more Kubernetes concepts. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.